Hello and welcome to The Scoop, Dad.
Today's episode is brought to you by the North American Man-Boy Love Association. NAMBLA, we exist.
Our top story, University of Wisconsin sophomore film student Chet Abrams made history this week after writing, directing, and starring in a short film that opens with a shot of an alarm clock.
Abrams, pictured here nursing a Bud Light, stated in an interview with Time magazine that the alarm clock was meant to represent a character waking up and starting his day. He would return to the shot later in the film to, quote, show that the character's routine has not changed.
Abrams has also been praised for his bold decision to cut characters' ambiguous expressions after lingering on a photograph of a character with an older man. Who is that guy? Is it his father, his uncle, his stepfather? These are all questions one might ask.
The film, titled The Tire, despite the fact that a tire is not once seen or mentioned, is 14 minutes in length, though 2 of those minutes are credits and 5 of those minutes are a blooper reel. Abrams' debut effort has already won him several prestigious awards, including the Toronto Film Festival's coveted Most Fades to Black prize and Cannes' Promising Young Artist Award for Best Use of Coldplay's Yellow.
Never one to shy away from a challenge, Abrams is already planning on his next project, where he will reportedly be shooting a clock to show the passage of time.
Coming up, study finds that 90% of motorcycle accidents caused by owning motorcycles.